Today in the kitchen, I'm making blueberry syrup to go over our gluten-free pancakes. I'm starting with fresh blueberries. And I have 2 cups of blueberries. A half a cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half a cup of water. I'm going to turn this to medium heat and I'm going to whisk this together and bring it to a boil. Okay, I want the blueberries to simmer, and so while that is simmering, we can get the pancake batter ready. I'm using the Gluten Free Bisquick, and I'm just going to follow the recipe on the back of the box, but I'm going to double the recipe. I have 2 cups milk, 2 cups gluten-free Bisquick, 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 eggs. And I mix that up well, and then I'm going to check on the blueberries. The blueberries are now simmering, so I'm going to take the whisk and whisk them around and kind of smash the blueberries. Okay, I'm going to take the blueberries and pour them into a gravy boat so that they can be easier to pour out onto the pancakes. And I'm going to make the bacon and start the pancakes. cooked up all the pancakes. It did make 6 large pancakes. If you would like to make smaller ones, then it would obviously make much more. And I'm gonna just add some butter. And then pour on the blueberry syrup. Add a couple of pieces of bacon. And blueberry syrup with pancakes and bacon is ready to be served. You can find the full recipe in the description box down below. Enjoy, dinner is served. Thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And let us know if you tried blueberry syrup with pancakes. We'll see you next time in the kitchen.